My name is Ayana Scott, and I am here today to speak about how to find a meaningful practicum. A little bit about me. I am a recent graduate of The Ohio State University in the College of Public Health, and during my course of study, I had a specialization in epidemiology. So just to go a little bit through how to find a practicum, I think one of the first things that is most important is to speak with your faculty advisor. Your faculty advisor may have contacts that they will be able to connect you with to find a meaningful practicum. The other option is to attend a career fair. There are career fairs offered several times throughout the semester, and different employers are there to discuss internship opportunities, which could potentially be practicum opportunities for yourself. And then also I would say to keep a lookout for new information in newsletters through the College of Public Health. Every week the College of Public Health comes out with a newsletter, and the newsletter is filled with tons of information regarding internship opportunities and practicum opportunities that are offered within the Central Ohio community. Another way to find your practicum opportunity is through the APS office. The office coordinator, Don Williams, has access to information regarding practicum opportunities and can put you into contact with employers throughout the Columbus community. I found my practicum opportunity through the APS office. I met with Don Williams several times throughout the academic school year to discuss my interests as well as what I was thinking about for a practicum experience. And by the summer of 2016, which was my second year of graduate school, she put me into contact with Jewish Family Services of Columbus, Ohio, and I applied for an internship opportunity through that agency. So once I found my practicum experience, I completed the learning agreement and went over the learning agreement with my faculty advisor as well as my preceptor at Jewish Family Services. And once both individuals signed off on my learning agreement, I submitted that learning agreement to the APS office, and once they reviewed the learning agreement, the practicum was added to my course schedule. And from there, I also received an email saying that my practicum was all ready to go. So Jewish Family Services is a nonprofit agency here in Columbus, Ohio, which provides a wide range of services for residents in the community. In addition to providing career services, they also provide geriatric services regarding home health care, as well as specific services for Holocaust survivors that are within the Columbus metropolitan community. So while at Jewish Family Services, I worked with Project REL, which focuses on providing companion care and various activities for Holocaust survivors to improve their mental health. In the spring of 2016, the agency had eligible participants of Project REL to take a quality of life survey. So my role in Project REL and ultimately my practicum experience focused on creating an electronic database for information collected from the surveys, as well as a code book to go along with the electronic database. So on a typical day, I will come into my workstation at Jewish Family Services, and I typically started the day meeting with my preceptor, speaking about my progress with the project, as well as future steps and things that maybe she would want me to focus more on. We we also worked a lot with grant reports. So I had the opportunity, in addition to creating the database, to keep records of attendance in different events and use that data for the compilation of the grant reports which needed to be sent to funders of the program. So I was very fortunate in the sense that I was able to extend my practicum experience and use information from my practicum experience for my culminating project. So my practicum was during the fall of 2016, and so during the spring of 2017, Project REL decided to conduct another follow-up survey regarding the quality of life of Holocaust survivors. And so for my culminating, I also created a electronic database for that information, but also was able to analyze data from both the baseline survey in April 2016 as well as the follow-up survey during April 2017. And so I used that information for my culminating project, as well as information for a grant report for Project REL. So my advice for first year students who are trying to find a practicum opportunity would be first to start early. You can never start too early, so during your first semester as a graduate student, I would be speaking with your faculty advisor, the APS office, as well as keeping a lookout for internship opportunities at career fairs or through the newsletter. And in addition to that, I would try to find a practicum opportunity that is in alignment with your interest. One of the things that I personally was really interested in was program evaluation, and through my practicum experience with Jewish Family Services, I was able to have a lot of hands-on experience with program evaluation, as well as the process of creating a report for funders. So in summary, I encourage all students within the College of Public Health to utilize the APS office, as well as any services provided by the Ohio State University, such as career fairs or information that you may obtain from various newsletters and university resources. All the best in finding a practicum opportunity.